as we described, what do we do? How do we live every day? Then you offered suggestions like that. And the number of people that come in and say, wow, that is so smart. I'm like, yes, it is. And it complements our life. We knew we had to be so clear on how we are as people, how we live, how he lives separately, and I live, and then how we live together, how we entertain, how we just enjoy being together in a certain space. And we knew we were very different than many of our condo friends. I love to cook. We love to have evenings watching the amazing sunset. I mean, it's right there every night. We like to have a glass of wine, cocktails, and hors d'oeuvres, and bring in friends and enjoy the view. But we also need our space in a very small area. We knew when our daughter comes, she works a lot. We have a desk in her room. We have a big screen TV. You need to have Wi-Fi. You need to have really updated wiring, lighting. The sound was so important. Are we going to hear if children are watching a television in one room and it's echoing through the other rooms? So you added that for us, a little soundproofing. Moving walls to make the master the right size, showers the right size. Everything came down to the studs, and that was super important. We have a little nook over here that is a small desk, but every morning we make our coffee and our tea, and we sit there and we have this amazing expansive view reading our emails. We put a whole wall of a mirror that reflects the ocean, and a friend came in a couple of days ago and they thought that was the window. It's because it's completely expansive and just little added parts that bring it to life, and that's you're just always in awe. The television you can pull out on a big arm, but it's set back behind cork that no one sees the arm and the plugs, and you can move it to any direction in the whole room. Small things, but really big impact. As we described, what do we do? How do we live every day? Then you offered suggestions like that. And the number of people that come in and say, wow, that is so smart. I'm like, yes, it is. And it complements our life.